Clip Retouch Limited. One of the most popular image editing post-production service providers is located in Bangladesh. We have 149 plus experts working day and night only for you. From the clipping path to e-commerce product photo processing, Clip Retouch can handle all kinds of image editing and production work. You need it for yourself or your clients. Our scientific job management team can be identified by job categories and allocate experts accordingly by defining the eject timeline. As a result, we have a time estimate for the steps of processing. So, 99.9% of our job was delivered on time. We have a well-equipped on-the-job training department. To make global quality standards, we hired editors. We have a range of skill from more to expert hand. Our excellent mentor provides the best patience for the job. We have fully dedicated server to exchange internal data and 100% malware-proof getaway. So, your data secured here. We have group of experts working here dedicatedly for individual brands. If you want, we can hire a dedicated team. We have special transport and safe working place for female editors. When productive includes entertainment as well. Our employees are provided with proper entertainment facilities to keep them entertained during their work. The company never accepts employee guarantees. While the employees are happy, they will be able to provide top-notch service for our clients. During their work, all the employees get some extra time, get some refreshment. They are freely gossip about each other and enjoy their snacks and tea break. Health is wealth, and to take care of our employees, we have our own health facilities. We provide full scholarship training to especially able people and recruit them here. As well, we have 10% priority quota for trebles and females. With a lot of love and cooperation from their clients. They have been in this business from 3 years. They are really proud of the work they have achieved. Let's make a great business together.